Hello, my name is Vitaliy Rizhkov and I am the new owner of Nichehacks. I am serial entrepreneur and investor in more than a dozen startups and companies. Before I share my story about myself, let me share the story about how I acquired Nichehacks. I have purchased companies and blogs in the past and always was looking for new opportunities. A few months ago, I discovered an opportunity was Nichehacks. The existing owner was looking for an exit. After a few months of researching and a due diligence, I finally transferred the funds and received all the assets. At the same time, I formed a team of 5 people to take it over, run it, and get it to the next level. Before us, Nichehacks was run by one owner, one writer, and one virtual assistant. All of them were part-time, spending less than a few hours a day. And because they were not investing that much, everything was going down. All numbers were in decline. To some, this might seem like a bad purchase. To me, this was a great opportunity. I love challenges. Right now, we have 6 people and soon to be 7 who are investing their lives into Nichehacks. We're taking things very seriously. This is why I'm making these videos. And today's video is the first part of a mini series of 12 videos that I'm going to share with you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the next 4 weeks. My goal is to win your trust and build a relationship with all of you who are interested in the future of Nichehacks. I want to do things right from the beginning. As you know, the previous owner was acting behind the scenes. But we're taking a different approach by being real, honest, and transparent. I am a big believer in transparency. It might make us vulnerable, but at the same time, it allows us to build a stronger community, a stronger relationship with you guys. I would love to tell you how much I spent on this acquisition, but I can't. The other party didn't allow me to share this information. But here's what I can share. I've made a decision to invest $1.5 million into Nichehacks. Wow. But I'm not a billionaire. This is a huge commitment to me. I want all of you to understand that I am committed here, committed to Nichehacks, and I'm here to make Nichehacks 100 times better. There's some revenue coming from existing subscribers, around $20,000 a month, and we're planning to 10x that number by the end of the year. All revenue will be reinvested back into the product and great content. My goal is to make Nichehacks one of the best places for business and marketing information. And with our paid product, I'm planning to help thousands of people to learn how to make money online. Okay, I'm going to keep these videos short. I don't want to overwhelm you. And next time I'm going to share my personal story and talk about my personal experience and why I am the one who can take Nichehacks to the next level. I'm almost done, but let me ask you something. Since you're in this email list for Nichehacks, I assume you're interested in Nichehacks somehow. If this is not the case, please unsubscribe. This is going to be super easy. There's a link under this video in the email. Simply click on it and you will be removed from the list. Thank you. I don't want to spam you guys. Talk to you next time.